welcome back to my channel. It's me, Glambykiki. Hello if you are new. Welcome to Vlogmas day 21. Today's Vlogmas will include this look, this grungy holiday glam look. And if you are liking Vlogmas series, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you are part of the glam fam and you are notified every time I upload, which will be every day until Christmas. If you guys are interested in how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I started off with a clean base. I'm just gonna go ahead and go on to the eyes. Go in with my Morphe 15T palette, this one right over here. And then I am gonna use the Marc Jacobs Dior Omega Gel Powder Eyeshadow as my transition color. I'm gonna go in with Dior from Marc Jacobs first. And I'm just taking any blending brush that I have. And in this case, I'm using a Morphe JH32 brush. And I'm putting this right in my crease. It's gonna be my transition color. The next shade I will be going into is Strike a Pose from the Morphe 15T palette. It's this one right over here. This is just to warm up the crease and to give it more of definition, a little bit more warmth as well. Then I'm gonna also go in with Woke Up Like This and Throwback, which are these two right over here. Going in with Woke Up Like This first. Guys, what are your plans for this Christmas? I know mine is I'm gonna go ahead and sip some hot cocoa, spend quality time with my family, wear our ugly Christmas sweaters, watch some movies, and of course eat and eat. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you guys doing for Christmas? Then I'm going in with Throwback, of course, and I'm gonna focus it a little bit more in the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean fluffy brush. I'm not going in with no additional product. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges until everything is nice and soft and blown out. I'm gonna go in with No Filter Needed right over here. I'm actually going to be using my fingers. I love using my fingers for shimmers. I'm gonna go ahead and put some liner on. I'm gonna tight line with my Milk Cosmetics Boss Black Liner. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes and my mascara on off camera because you guys seen me do this a whole bunch of times already. So I will be going in with my Farrah lashes from Huda Beauty and my Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I'll be right back. So I smoked out the lower lash line, so I think I'm wanting to do a grungy holiday glam. I'm gonna go on to the cheeks next. Put on my I'm Not Blushing blush from Patrickstarrr and MAC, their collection. next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter, one of my favorites. Morphe M510 brush. I'm just gonna do it very subtle, nothing too dramatic. Just like take that same highlight and just put it on my cupid's bow, my bridge of my nose, a little on my forehead, and my chin. Last but not least, I like to go in with a lippy, and for this lip, I'm gonna go ahead and do a grungy bold lip as well. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Spice Girl lip contour from Huda Beauty, which, as you can tell, I love it so much. It's literally super duper small. So after I'm done with my lip lining, I like to go in with my lipstick, and today's lipstick is Dior, the Dior Rouge liquid lipstick in 979, which is this brown burgundy with a little bit of sparkles. This doe foot applicator is something different. It literally hugs enough product onto the wand that can go ahead and fill up your whole lip. Okay, Dior, I see you. So after the lip is done, this is the final look. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and then get into slow-mos for you guys. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the final look. This is my Christmas holiday grunge makeup. So it's something very smoky, very edgy if you're not wanting to do the classic red lip or nude lip and gold eyes. If you want to do something more edgy, more smoky, more sultry, this is the look that you can go for. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I sure did have fun creating it for you guys. Let me know if you guys recreate it or if you guys loved it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that notification bell to go ahead and join the glam fam, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Jack it up.